Your car might look normal, but it's hiding problems you don't even notice. Blind spots, messy cables, dead phones, boring interiors, and even dangerous emergencies. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, where we uncover the coolest car gadgets, smart upgrades, and clever tools that actually make driving easier. Some of these fix real risks, others completely transform your ride. But one of them might surprise you more than you expect. Ever feel like your car just blends into the crowd at night? That's the problem. Most cars look the same until these devil eyes turn on. These animated halo lights instantly give your ride a bold, aggressive look. You get 6 moving patterns, plus a loop mode that never gets boring. Control everything with a remote, or switch it instantly while driving. But here's the cool part, that bright halo isn't just for style. It actually boosts visibility in low light. And yes, it works in rain, dust, even extreme heat. Ever wonder why some cars instantly turn heads at night? It's not the car, it's what's glowing underneath. This Underglow LED kit transforms your entire ride with vibrant RGB lighting. Just install the aluminum bars under your car, connect the app, and suddenly you control every color, every effect. But here's where it gets interesting, it can sync with your music. So your car literally pulses to the beat while you drive. And unlike cheap plastic strips, this one survives rain, mud, and rough roads. Your car doesn't just move anymore, it performs. Ever opened your car door and felt nothing special? That moment is wasted, and most drivers don't realize it. These door projector lights instantly upgrade that experience. The moment you open the door, a bright, sharp logo lights up the ground. No wiring, no drilling, just stick and go. But here's the smart part, it uses an infrared sensor. So it turns on and off automatically without magnets. And it's rechargeable, lasting up to 25 days on a single charge. At night, your car doesn't just open, it makes an entrance. So far, which one would you actually use, style upgrades like these, or something more practical? Would you buy it or skip it? Drop your answer below and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car upgrades. Ever been stuck behind a driver who just won't move and you can't say anything? That's where things get awkward, and sometimes dangerous. This hand gesture LED sign lets you communicate instantly. Just tap the remote, and display different signals right on your rear window. It's bright enough to be seen even in rain or fog. But here's the twist, it's not just for frustration. You can say, "Thank you," or warn drivers behind you. And with a range up to 82 feet, you control it without distraction. It's funny but also surprisingly useful. Ever wished you could watch YouTube or Netflix right on your car screen? The problem is most cars just don't allow it. This tiny adapter changes everything. Plug it in, and instantly switch between wireless CarPlay and full-screen mirroring. Now your dashboard becomes a real entertainment hub. But here's where it gets interesting, it streams with almost no delay. So audio and video stay perfectly in sync. And it reconnects automatically every time you start the car. Your phone can stay in your pocket while your screen does everything. How do you reverse safely when you can't see what's behind? That's where accidents happen, fast and expensive. This wireless backup camera installs in just 3 minutes. No wiring, no drilling. Just snap it onto any metal surface using its super strong magnet. But here's the game changer, it's solar powered. So it charges while you drive, no constant maintenance. You also get 1080p HD with night vision, so even in total darkness, you see everything clearly. And with a range up to 328 feet, it stays stable even on highways. Alright, this one is hard to ignore, would you actually trust a wireless camera like this? Buy it or skip it? Tell me below, and hit subscribe if you want smarter, safer car upgrades. Ever had your phone fall mid-drive right when you need GPS the most? That split second can be dangerous. This magnetic phone holder locks your phone in place instantly. With 24 powerful magnets, it grips tighter than most mounts, even on rough roads. But here's the difference, the arm bends any way you want. You can position your phone at the perfect angle in seconds. And the suction? It's insanely strong and reusable. Install it once, and it won't budge, no matter how hard you brake. Ever had passengers fighting over charging cables in the backseat? That chaos gets annoying, fast. This retractable charging station solves it instantly. Mount it on your headrest, and now everyone gets their own cable, Type-C, Lightning, and micro USB. But here's the smart part: the cables pull out and retract automatically. No more messy wires hanging everywhere. It even rotates 360 degrees for easy access from any angle. Perfect for Uber drivers, or anyone tired of a messy backseat. How do you keep everyone's devices alive on a long road trip? Because one charger is never enough. This 6-port car charger powers the entire car at once. Front seat, back seat, phones, tablets, everything stays charged without arguments. But here's the upgrade: it fast charges multiple devices at the same time. No more waiting hours for a full battery. And it automatically detects each device to deliver the right power safely. Less stress, less noise, and a much calmer ride. Ever run out of power ports right when you need them most? That's when everything starts unplugging and it gets frustrating fast. This 4-socket splitter turns one port into a full power station. You can run dash cams, GPS, mini fridges, even multiple devices at once. But here's what most people miss: each socket has its own switch. So you control power without unplugging anything. It even shows real-time battery voltage, so you know when something's wrong, before your car does. What if your car has no Bluetooth but you still want wireless music? That outdated system gets annoying every single drive. This tiny AUX adapter fixes it instantly. Just plug it in, pair your phone, and now you've got wireless music and hands-free calls. But here's the upgrade: it uses Bluetooth 5.3. So the connection is faster, more stable, and doesn't cut out. It even reduces background noise during calls. Old car, but it suddenly feels completely modern. Why does your music still sound flat even with a good phone? The problem might be your connection, not your speakers. This Bluetooth 5.4 adapter upgrades your audio instantly. Plug it in, pair your phone, and enjoy clearer, richer sound with less delay. But here's what makes it better: enhanced noise cancellation. So calls sound clean, even on busy roads. It also connects to 2 devices at once. Switch music without reconnecting, simple, fast, and smooth. So would you upgrade your car, or skip it? Let me know below, and hey, before you decide, go back and watch video number 3 on the channel again. There's something in that video most people completely miss. What would you do if your car got stuck in the middle of nowhere at night? That's when panic kicks in. This 18-in-1 emergency tool is built for exactly that moment. It's a flashlight, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and even a power bank. But here's the life-saving part: it has a 120 decibels SOS alarm. Loud enough to get attention when you really need help. It also works as a magnetic work light and even a fire starter. One tool, but it could save your life. Ever opened your trunk and everything just rolls everywhere? Groceries spill, tools slide. It's a mess every time you drive. This trunk organizer fixes that instantly. With 100 L of space and adjustable compartments, everything finally stays in place. But here's the upgrade: it comes with a detachable cooler bag. So your drinks stay cold, or food stays warm on long trips. And when you don't need it, just fold it flat in seconds. Clean trunk, organized life, no more chaos in the back. How do you wash your car without wasting water or time? Most people just use a basic hose, and the results show. This heavy-duty metal nozzle gives you full control. Just twist the head, and switch between 4 spray modes for different cleaning needs. But here's the satisfying part: high pressure removes dirt fast. Less scrubbing, less effort. It even has a lock feature, so water keeps flowing without squeezing. Simple tool, but your car looks professionally clean. Quick question: would this actually fix your messy trunk, or not really? Buy it or skip it? Comment below and subscribe if you want more simple upgrades that make a big difference. Ever had a flat tire on a trailer and thought, now what? Because unloading everything first? That's a nightmare. This trailer ramp lets you change a tire without unloading anything. Just drive the good tire onto the ramp, and it lifts the damaged side instantly. But here's the real-time saver, it gives you 5.5 inches of lift. Enough to fix the tire safely, even on heavy loads. And it's surprisingly lightweight, so you can carry it anywhere. One simple ramp and a roadside disaster becomes a quick stop. So which gadget impressed you most today? And before you go rewatch video number 3, you'll notice something you probably missed the first time.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.